Hello there, my dear friends. Here that's the iWheel 1350 current track. So normally when you're operating, please be careful about the battery voltage. Yeah, 3S battery, fully charged, it is around 12.6 volt. So after you play, then if you check the battery, it is less than 11.7 or 11.6. The voltage low, then the pump running will be not enough power and the pressure will drop, maybe causing not accurately for all the boom, unlocking, locking. And another situation is, when you're operating, also you can always check from here the pressure gauge to see if it is around 3 to 4 MPa, so that's normal. And another thing is, from the cabin screen, you can see, if you don't have voltage meter, you can always see here that when you're not operating anything, that's the exactly voltage. So more than 12 volt is sure okay. But less than 11.7 volt is already low. But not operating yet, because when you're operating, it's consuming the power, so it's less voltage showing on the screen. So another situation, if after you play, or if after you calibrating something, number 1 point or number 6 point, if calibrated by mistake, the number 5 point for the number 1 boom, forward first boom, locking to be rear side position, it's not unlocking, pulling out, or locking correctly, means the forward boom, the forward first one, it's not coming out. After you check pressure, voltage, oil level, if it's all good, still not working, first step, the boom make sure it is backward, then we reset, coming to the board. The board, left side LED, it is always on, it is automatic mode. So now, there are 2 buttons, top button, bottom button. For resetting the procedure of extend the boom, only the bottom button keep pressing more than 5 seconds for reset. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is already resetted, means now the procedure, it is at beginning position, all the booms back. So you test for extend the boom if it can extend the first boom. Forward for extend. It's extending, but if yours still cannot extend, means after you play, this video is for showing how to calibrate number 5 point. Most rear side for the number 5 boom, that's number 1 point, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Number 5 is for locking the forward first boom to be locking to rear side, the number 2 boom rear side hole. So if still not working, I will first return back as initial position. Let's explain what we are going to do for calibration number 5 point of the forward boom. So maybe you already watched my other 4 videos about calibrating number 1, number 3, number 4. These 4 videos, the 4 most rear side number 1 point is most easy. Number 6 point also easy, but the middle, this boom for number 2, 3, 4, 5 point, because all the locking point was blocked by other boom, so we have to manually pull out all the boom. But for the first boom, if not coming out after you play and calibrating something wrong, so the situation is more complicated than number 1 to 4 point. The number 5 point for the first boom, if you're operating for extend, it's not coming. Inside the cylinder with the guider, the cylinder will move forward, but this one, the rear side pin may be locked to number 2, number 5 point, yeah. So if you're locking, this one you cannot push out, but the cylinder is pushing this cover, maybe damaging this cover or damaging the screw or damaging the cylinder, bending it. So first, what you do, check we take the withdraw back procedure, SWE, backward. Backward, if pump not starting, no reaction, means the withdraw back procedure already finished. So you test only short time, pushing forward to hear if the pump start, if start moving. Yeah, if 1 or 2 seconds, this one not moving, means it's not correct. Have to stop, otherwise it's always pushing the cover, causing damage. Let's try. Pushing forward. Starting, it should be going. You see the timing, it's around only 1 second. First, pump start for the pin to be sure in position, then it should be pushing out. If not coming out, you must stop, otherwise causing damage. Okay, to be sure, first check voltage around 12 volt or more than 12 volt. Then you can start the pump directly to check if pressure okay. Pressure should be a little bit more than 3 MPa or nearly 4 MPa. So the pressure is okay, means this unlocking, pulling out procedure have problem. So to be sure not to broken the cover and the cylinder, we remove the cover to check the condition. So how to remove? First, this ruler is blocking the top 5 screw. You can remove this pin with the ruler. Then you can take out these 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out. After top 5 screw remove, bottom have these 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. These 3 take out. After top 5 screw, bottom 3 screws all out. Here have 3 more. Take out all 1, 2, 3. 5 screw, 3 screw, bottom 3 screw all removed. This cover, you can shaking, pulling it out. Shaking, pull, it's coming out. So after this one removed, you will be able to see inside. Here have a guider, this 3D printed plastic. This one is for supporting during shipping for the slider with cylinder. This one, you can pull it out. This one only for during shipping for supporting, not to drop the forward guider. If you use a torchlight to see from the forward boom after opening, you will see the slider with cylinder and the back side at the rear position, that's the claw, and the first boom mushroom pin. So now, if you move it, so when you're operating, extend. If you see inside the cylinder with this guider, it's coming out, but this boom is not coming out. This boom stay backward, but inside the cylinder slider is coming out. The boom stay original position, means this boom, the pin was still locking to number 5 position and the claw was not holding it down. So we will need to see how to calibrate it. So now I already put the number 5 point at the wrong position, a little bit forward, so cannot pulling, unlocking first boom rear side pin. Or maybe your situation is the claw is a little bit backward. Anyway, it's possible 2 possible reasons. One is the claw not at the number 5 point. It's a little bit forward or a little bit backward. Now it is at forward, so when I extending the first boom, it's not with the pin, so the claw with the cylinder is coming out, but it's not pulling out this first boom. So I will return. Until the procedure finish. Yeah, it's not in position. So now we can use another way, not the number 1, 2, 3, 4 point position I was showing to pull out all the boom one by one until number 6 point, then pulling back to calibrate. So for the first boom, there is another way. If use the boom or pulling out way, it's a lot of trouble. also you need one-man help because all these boom very heavy for pulling out. So for the first boom, there is an easy way. After you remove this front cover, you can see with a torchlight where is the claw. And this first boom pin, you can see it because it is at forward side. So it's not blocking by anything. So first, try to do like this. First, extend the first boom. The boom is not coming out, but the cylinder is coming out. After this cylinder coming to number 6 point, the claw will be moving up for locking into this position, and the claw will maintain up position, go back. So at this point, we can see from forward the claw when we calibrating, move it manually to under the number 5 point pin. Then save the point. Then we can extend out. So it's going back. So if you use a torchlight, now you can have a look. So now you see after the procedure, the cylinder go out for the first boom and locking at 6 point. When going back, the claw is at up position. So when we calibrating go back, when under the number 5 point pin, the mushroom can sliding into this claw. So we can save it and later unlock it and automatically pulling it out, extend it out. Now coming to the board, calibrating number 5 point. So first, you see the LED, left LED is always on, and the middle LED is off, right LED is off. Now click the top button more than 3, keep pressing top button more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, middle LED blue one is always on. Then keep pressing the top button again more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So now it is at the calibration mode and it's flashing one time and off. The left side LED flashing one time. It's for calibrating number 1 point. So short press bottom button increase will be flashing 2 times. Press again bottom button flashing 3 times. That's for calibrating number 3 point. Again, that's flashing 5 times for the left blue LED, counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for calibrating number 5 point. Now use a torchlight coming here. So first open the valve, then for backward withdraw back here, then start the pump. It will go back. So you keep watching. When it's under the number 5 forward, the pin, the most forward one now is number 5 mushroom pin. When it is exactly the claw under it, stop, close the valve. It will be stopped, then stop the pump. So I will be using torchlight, keep watching more quickly. Almost there, you can slow down the pump so it will move slowly. When it's exactly stop, it's already there. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so now stop the pump, stop the valve first. When you stop the valve, it's exactly stop quickly. So now we can save it. After save, we will try. So first, the bottom button, keep pressing more than 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then top button, keep pressing more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is saved. But remember the procedure. When we operating, we already extend the first boom out and go back. So it's already finishing first boom out and back, already it's ready for pulling out second boom. So the procedure is not matching the boom position now. The boom now already, first boom is always back. So you just reset it. It will be originally positioned. So to match the procedure where the boom are. So only the bottom button, this one, keep pressing more than 5 seconds, will be resetted as the original position. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's already resetted. Now we can directly pushing forward for extend out, and you keep watching if the claw is unlocking the number 5 point pin. Forward. Yeah, it is unlocked. But there is one thing is, it's not so accurate because we are calibrating it only by checking with eye from forward. So it's not very accurate, maybe 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter difference. So the best way is now we calibrate it again with the cylinder pin already locking to this boom rear side bottom hole. It's accurate. So now you can move it back, withdraw back the boom. Almost there and stop. Then we calibrate it again to move it all the way back. It will be accurate. So let's go to the calibration mode again. Top button more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Top button again, pressing more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Calibrating number 5 point to check if correct. Flashing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's number 5 point. Let's calibrate it. So now you just withdraw back the boom procedure manually. Yeah, now it's not starting. Only you start the pump directly. Back, start the pump. It will move back until the end, touching the rear side end. Then you stop. Okay, already stop. Stop the pump. And open the valve another way, release the pressure. Backward, forward, release the pressure, return to middle. That's exactly the number 5 point. Now save it. Okay, first the bottom button, keep pressing more than 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top button, keep pressing more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is saved. Let's check if it is correct. So now the number 5 point, it is saved, but you are not sure the procedure for unlocking the pin for the boom to be secured with the cylinder pin. So the best way, only doing like this. To finish the procedure, you must push SWE backward for withdraw back boom to finish the procedure. Withdraw back. Yeah, it's not starting, means already finished the procedure, but do not push forward. If you push forward, the cylinder pin may be not locked. Again, it's sliding out without the claw unlocking the top boom pin. So now it's finished, it's okay. Return back to middle, then extend. Okay, so it's working good. Then now we will withdraw back to check if it's okay. The difference is it's already stopped. So every time for the one boom from counting from rear side, the number 5, 4, 3, 2, this boom, when always coming back to the rear side, have one operation is locking the rear side pin. But for the forward first boom, when it's coming to the rearmost position, this rear position is not doing the locking operation because next time you directly extend because all already finished. So it's always boom pin unlock. Bottom cylinder pin, it is locked. So when you extend, it's directly extend out. Okay, that's it. It is done. Thank you. See you.